PTC Thermistor PRG series. Application example: resettable fuses. You want to use resettable fuses that do not need to be replaced for overcurrent protection. However, are you unsure about which type to choose? Murata Manufacturing's PRG series of PTC thermistors are self-resetting. Therefore, you do not need to replace them. They offer outstanding reset capability and exhibit almost no resistance hysteresis under normal conditions because of their ceramic material. Overcurrent protection is possible with the PRG series alone. That allows simple circuits to be realized. When a fuse is used for overcurrent or short-circuit protection, the metal inside the fuse melts due to the overcurrent when an abnormality occurs. This interrupts the circuit. Therefore, maintenance, such as component replacement, is needed each time the circuit is interrupted. On the other hand, if the PRG series of PTC thermistors is used, the element self-heats due to overcurrent when an abnormality occurs. This causes the resistance value to sharply increase, and that limits the current. Therefore, it will not be disconnected like with a fuse. After the abnormal condition is removed, the PRG series automatically returns to its original state. Accordingly, it is possible to repeatedly use it as a resettable fuse that does not require maintenance. Conventional polymer PTCs used as resettable fuses often develop resistance drift and hysteresis after repeated tripping and resetting. The PRG series uses ceramic materials and possesses resistance characteristics that almost never cause hysteresis. The resistance change under normal conditions is small. Accordingly, the PRG series maintains stable resistance characteristics even after board mounting and repeated protection operations. Here, we take a look at the design to replace an overcurrent protection circuit with the PRG series. As shown in these circuit diagrams, it is possible to reduce the number of components by replacing the protection components with the PRG series. As a result, it contributes to saving space inside equipment and cutting costs. We will now explain about servo amp overcurrent protection as an application example. If a device with an incorrect load design is connected to an I/O terminal, overcurrent may occur and the equipment may become damaged. By equipping the PRG series, the current is automatically limited in the event of an overcurrent. When the abnormality is eliminated, it is reset to its original state. Adopting the PRG series for servo amps enables maintenance-free operation with no need to replace fuses. Murata's PRG series of PTC thermistors can be utilized in various equipment as resettable fuses that do not need to be replaced.